Not all gutters are created equal, and when it comes to metal roofs, choosing the wrong gutter system can lead to corrosion, leaks, ice problems, and even foundation damage. Metal roofs shed water almost faster than any other roofing material out there. So in this video, I'm going to break down which styles and types of gutters are going to work best with metal roofs, and how to choose the right gutter based on the climate, pitch of the roof, and your budget. So why do gutters matter on metal roofs? Metal roofs are great, but they make gutters more important, not less. Here's why properly matched gutters actually matter. They help control fast-moving water runoff that can actually help prevent erosion at the foundation of your home. They protect your basement and foundation from water damage. They help extend the life expectancy in any facade you have on the exterior of the home. And they're essential if you plan on using rainwater harvesting system. Without the right gutter setup, water can actually overshoot the gutter system entirely. Here are the gutter styles that work best with metal roofs. First off is a K-style gutter. K-style gutters are actually the most common for a metal roof. They have a beautiful crown molding style profile to them, and a flat back of the gutter mounts flush to the fascia. Here's why they work well. They have a very high water capacity. They also have great performance in heavy rainfall, and they're widely available and actually very cost effective. They're a solid choice for most residential metal roofs. Our next option is half-round gutters. Half-round gutters have a smooth, U-shaped design. They're less likely to clog because there's no sharp corners inside of the gutter. These types of gutter systems are best for older homes or older homes with a historic look to them, or for homeowners who want smoother water flow. They do have slightly lower water capacity, so sizing for the particular home is most important. Our final option is a box gutter. Box gutters are built directly into the roof line. They're designed to handle very high volumes of water and are often used on modern or commercial buildings. The pros are that they have extremely high capacity and a clean architectural look. The cons are that they are expensive, they must be professionally installed, and they are usually planned during construction. Here are some of the best gutter material for metal roofs. Material choice is critical, especially on a metal roof. Our first option is aluminum. Aluminum is the most common and practical option. It's not only lightweight, but corrosion resistant as well. And it's very affordable and easy to install. It works very well with most metal roofing systems. The next option is copper. Copper gutters offer a very high-end look and a longer lifespan. However, copper must not come in contact with dissimilar metals, or unfortunately, galvanic corrosion will occur. These are best for homeowners that are committed to a full copper gutter system. Our next material is galvanized steel. Galvanized steel is strong and handles snow and heavy rain very well. The only downside is that if they get scratched, rust can form. Our next material is stainless steel. Stainless steel offers the best corrosion resistance. It's a very strong choice for coastal homes and extreme climates, but it does come at a very high cost. Another option is vinyl. Vinyl gutters are very inexpensive, but they're not ideal for metal roofs. They struggle with heavy rainfall, snow loads, and fast water runoff. Galvalume is a steel option. It's actually coated with aluminum and zinc. It offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance, and it pairs well with a lot of the metal roofing systems out there. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing a gutter system for your metal roof. Before choosing a system, consider the roof pitch and the size. Deeper your roof is, the faster the water is going to run off. The local climate, rain, snow, and ice all matter. Your budget versus the lifespan of the roof. Let's consider the upfront cost versus the long-term value. Material compatibility, avoid mixing metals that are going to cause corrosion. Architectural style, your gutters should match your own. And whether or not you're going to do a DIY or professional install, some systems definitely require the pros. Here are some gutter installation considerations. Installation quality is almost more important than the material. Key installation factors include proper gutter slope for drainage, correct placement along the fascia, or mounting the gutter without fascia. Having enough downspouts to handle the volume of water running off the roof. Gutter guards to reduce debris buildup, quality sealants and fasteners, and expansion joints to allow for thermal movement. Metal roofs expand and contract. Your gutter system overall needs to accommodate that expansion. Here's how you can maintain gutters on a metal roof. Even the best system still needs maintenance. Clean your gutters at least twice a year. Inspect for clogs, rust, and joint wear. Use gutter guards where appropriate. Watch out for snow and ice buildup, and call a professional if you see sagging or leaking. Here are some common issues with metal roofing gutter systems. Number 1, clogging. Use guards and keep up with the cleaning. Number 2, leaks. You must use quality sealants and regular checkups to help prevent this. Number 3, ice dams. Make sure you have proper insulation and snow management. Number 4, corrosion. Avoid incompatible materials. And number 5, sagging or detachment. Ensure proper anchoring and spacing. Most of these issues are preventable with the right setup. So make sure you reach out to a trusted professional when you decide to get your gutter system installed.